Hi everyone, I'm going to show you the Snipo extension in action, a brand new way to take video notes. Let's dive right in. So let's open any video on YouTube and we see the Take Notes button under any video, or we can click on the extension pop-up and select Take Notes to Notion. Once clicked, enter the split mode. On the left, you have YouTube, and on the right, your Notion workspace. We're proud to support 9 major video platforms, including YouTube, Coursera, Udemy, and more. Currently, Snipo is exclusively integrated with Notion. Let's go through the setup process. Authorization is the first step. Choose your workspace, then select your desired page or use our template. Grant permission and your Notion page is enriched with the video note template. The split mode enables you to watch the video alongside your notes. Snipo works its magic by synchronizing the video's title, link, channel, duration, and even chapters for your convenience. Within Notion, you'll notice helpful extension buttons equipped with time-saving keyboard shortcuts, streamlining your workflow. Snipo offers timestamped notes, allowing you to jump to specific parts of the video with ease. You can take screenshots directly from the video and include them in your notes. The Transcript range feature allows you to capture important text segments from the video, making review sessions a breeze. Video Clip allows you to record the clip you want. You can record short clips of up to 60 seconds from any long YouTube video. Once you're done, the clip will be automatically saved to your Notion. And if you need more control over the video playback, we've got you covered with our video control option. Pause, seek backward and forward, and speed up and down the video. Snipo lets you customize the button. Simply head to the settings and tailor it to your preferences. You can easily customize which buttons you want to see on Notion. One of the most impressive features is the setup for the transcript range, which lets you inject the last or next transcript from the video and set the duration in seconds. By default, it's 30 seconds. So let's put 1 hour here, and next, let's save it and click Transcript Range, and you see the entire video script here. You can even use Notion's AI to create a summary of the transcript text or any other default Notion AI features that are available for the transcript text. Moreover, the seek backward and forward functions can set the count of seconds to seek. This makes it easy to find the exact information you need quickly. You can change keyboard shortcuts there. Next, we can open any video with a playlist or learning course. And now we get notebook indexes in Notion. Any fields are sortable and filtered. Let's change the sort on the title. The View option offers choices like a gallery, where card previews serve as page covers, an incredible playlist view. There's also a board view to manage video status. Back in Table View, utilize the Finished checkbox to mark completed videos. The best part is that you can easily customize them to suit your unique needs. Just click on the extension icon, open your Notes tab, select Customization, and Configure. You can change or remove Notion fields to match your requirements seamlessly. The Notion page stays synced with the course content. As you navigate through the course, the notes are automatically updated. It's like magic. For easy access, pin the extension, and in one click, explore your latest notes index for videos and playlists. But that's not all. We also have an amazing feature, AI flashcards for video. With just a few clicks, you can generate flashcards that help you evaluate your understanding of the video material. You can copy flashcards directly to Notion or save them to Deck. AI flashcards are accessible on the video page, any Notion page, or any other site you use. Video Deck is like a treasure trove of knowledge cards organized by topic. You can easily create custom cards for your deck. You can even export the deck to Anki for even more versatility. Unlock the full potential of Snipo by upgrading to Snipo Premium. By subscribing, not only do you gain access to all the premium features, but you also support the continued development of this tool. Simply click on the Premium tab and choose the monthly or annual plan that suits you best. With the yearly subscription, you can save up to 25%. We accept payment through credit card or PayPal for your convenience. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. We're always striving to make Snipo the best it can be. So, if you have any suggestions or feedback, please let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.